The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra got some amazing changes from last year's model. The phone has a titanium frame instead of armor aluminum, which feels nicer in your hand and won't get scratched as easily. It also has a cool texture that catches the light. The edges are less rounded so you can hold the phone more securely. The screen is flatter and has less space at the bottom, which makes the huge display seem even more impressive. If you're looking for a phone with an awesome screen, you can't go wrong with the S24 Ultra. It has a huge 6.8-inch AMOLED screen that can change its refresh rate from 1 Hz to 120 Hz depending on what you're doing. That means it can save battery when you don't need it and give you a smooth experience when you do. The screen is super sharp and clear, and you can make it even sharper by changing the resolution in the settings. The S24 Ultra also has the brightest screen of any phone right now. It can go up to 2,600 nits. That makes it easy to see even in bright sunlight. The S Pen is what makes the Galaxy Ultra phones special. It's tucked away in a little hole on the left side of the phone. You just push it in and it pops out a bit, then you can grab it with your fingers. The phone keeps the S Pen charged when it's inside, and it also reminds you when you take it out or forget it somewhere. The S Pen can be used for notes, drawings, or other stuff. There's a button on the side that does different things like taking photos or changing slides. The phone has some apps that work well with the S Pen like Smart Select, Samsung Notes, and Air Actions. But Samsung hasn't added anything new to the S Pen this year, which is kind of weird. The S24 Ultra is a beast of a phone, thanks to the special Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip that Qualcomm made just for Samsung. It has more juice for the CPU, GPU, and NPU, which means it can handle anything you throw at it. Plus, it has a huge vapor chamber to keep it cool and fast. The S24 Ultra has 4 cameras on the back. The main one is 200 megapixel and takes super sharp photos. There's also a 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 10 megapixel 3x zoom, and a 50 megapixel 5x zoom. The cameras are great. They take beautiful photos in any light, with lots of detail and color. They look as good as the ones from Apple and Google. The selfie camera is 12 megapixel and also takes nice photos. The portrait mode looks more natural than before. The S24 Ultra can also do some cool tricks with AI. You can remove or resize things in your photos with the Gallery app. If you like taking photos at night, you'll love nightography. It's a cool feature on the S24 Ultra that uses AI to make your night shots look better. It gets rid of some of the noise and makes the details pop out more. The colors are still vibrant and realistic. You can also record videos in 8K at 30 FPS, which is super high quality. The videos look sharp and clear, with natural colors and good stabilization. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a big battery that can last for a long time. It's a 5,000 mAh battery that you can charge fast with a cable or slower without one. You can also share some juice with other devices that support wireless charging. We tested the battery by watching YouTube videos non-stop with the screen brightness all the way up. The S24 Ultra kept going for 14 hours and 10 minutes, which is pretty good for an Android phone and better than the S23 Ultra from last year. We also checked how fast the battery charges with a 45-watt charger. It took about an hour and 20 minutes to go from empty to full. If you want an awesome Android phone, you can't go wrong with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's got everything you need: a stunning screen, a speedy processor, a long-lasting battery, and amazing cameras. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is not cheap or small, but that's the price you pay for having the best of the best. Trust us, it's worth it. Xiaomi 13 Ultra stands out with its modern and sleek design. The main attraction is its camera module, housing an innovative variable aperture main camera with an enormous 1-inch sensor. The phone has a premium feel, and its design is not just about aesthetics, but also functionality. The sleek, flat-screen design enhances the comfort and precision of using the device, especially with the S Pen. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra boasts one of the most exceptional displays on the market. It features a 6.73-inch QHD OLED screen with a peak brightness of 2600 nits and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is vivid, providing vibrant colors and excellent performance, making it a perfect canvas for showcasing photos and videos. It remains impressive even under direct sunlight. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The camera system is a true masterpiece. It features a remarkable 200-megapixel main camera alongside 3x and 10x telephoto lenses, an ultra-wide lens, and a variable aperture. It excels in zoom photography, capturing astonishing detail even at long distances. Xiaomi's portrait mode is among the best in the industry, offering excellent subject isolation and fine detail retention. The phone supports video recording at up to 8K at 30 FPS, delivering remarkable color and detail. Under the hood, it is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, specially optimized for the device. This chipset offers remarkable speed and multitasking capabilities. Users can choose between 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, which provides excellent performance. Moreover, this phone runs cooler than its predecessor, ensuring smooth gaming experiences. Despite having the same 5,000 mAh battery capacity as the previous model, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra offers improved battery life due to the more efficient processor and display optimizations. It comfortably lasts through a day of moderate use. In summary, Xiaomi 13 Ultra is a technological marvel that combines a cutting-edge design, an outstanding display, and a camera system that redefines smartphone photography. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset ensures impressive speed and performance, while the 5,000 mAh battery with rapid charging capabilities keeps you going.